Have you ever woke up to a discomfort in your tummy and when you burp or when you belch, there's a foul smelling odor? That is egg belch. There are a number of things that can cause egg belch. Welcome to another informative episode of Healthy Living Talks with Ope. Over the years as a practicing licensed pharmacist, I get a number of questions and today I'll be dealing with one of them, egg belch. I'll be helping you simplify the health information in such a way that you can improve your health and the quality of your life. There are a number of things that can cause egg belch. The first thing is indigestion. When your food doesn't digest properly, you can have an egg belch. Also, when you swallow in air while eating and your body tries to release the air, you can have an egg belch. Also, when intestinal bacteria that help digest your food releases air, those air coming out when you burp or belch can have an egg belch. Also, if the food you eat is high in sulfur content, some vegetables and dairy products are very high in sulfur content when digested, and such you have egg belch. What can you do to reduce the discomfort? The first thing when you have an egg belch is to drink a lot of water. The water can help you displace the gas and you start to feel the urge to belch more, but eventually you would feel better. The second thing is you can take peppermint as a home remedy for egg belch. Peppermint has been shown to be helpful in aiding digestion. The third thing you can also do is that there are over-the-counter medications such as antacids that can help you reduce the discomfort associated with egg belch. If your egg belch persists for long or you're always having recurrent egg belch, it is important you speak to a healthcare professional. You can click the link below to speak to one of our healthcare experts and we'll be getting across to you shortly. There are other ways you can help to prevent egg belch by eating your food more slowly. Do not eat large chunk of food or large portion of food at the same time. If you have egg belch easily, reduce using the use of straw so you don't swallow in a lot of air while eating. If this information has been helpful, please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Remember, Google is your friend, but I am a professional. Cheers!